I say, see the icon right there, so click the icon, click the subscribe button, join the family. Who not join, who join already, welcome to the Soul Fire family. You see me? Look out for some more videos. As me I say, I'm afraid to comment. We are doing it. We're out here, you see me? Another day in the life of a Jamaican chef. So
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win. They up on the Cumberland side. Portmore. Dog them. People stay true to wealth. Pretty cars, enough money, Gucci belt. Watch her who she fell. Lose everything and see if she don't move to them. Move go with a dead a rich walk. With a big yard and a couple coop in there. Tell her about she not the second place still. Yeah. Tell him what you learn.
Yeah man, welcome one and all. Today we're gonna start with some beer cut. Yeah, get your chicken. Get rid of all of the fat off the chicken. As you can see what I do right there, so. Remember, baked chicken, beer cut, you can do it for all kind of different type of baked chicken. Smoked bake, spicy bake, normal baked chicken. Then you have the teriyaki bake, the barbecue, I see and beer cut. And then again, you see beer cut different from the fry cut. So, I'm going to show you how to cut the chicken again. So just watch this one. Next chicken, you can get your chicken and cut along while I cut. Alright. Well, my point of view is that chicken probably should have been Jamaica. And if I said Jamaica, the world's national dish, because everything are chicken. So, alright. There's a pointer. You see the baked chicken cutter now. When I cut the baked chicken, you're supposed to get 10 pieces. So if you don't get 10 pieces, something wrong. If you get 10 pieces, it's alright. So as me I say, I'm afraid for comment. Alright. Alright people, you ready? Get your clean board, your knife. Alright, check it now. See the chicken, you hold the chicken. Chop the skin like that. Then you turn it over. Find the bottom of the chicken, split it. Turn it. Turn back the next side, use the back of the knife and cut. There, so the fat there you take off. Then you have to find the center end of the back. Cut it. And you just work back straight down with the next center, cut straight down. And please remember to clean out the chicken. Always clean your chicken. Chicken for always clean. Yeah. Then alright, you get your wing, you joint, you go joint the chicken. Try to find the joint as you can see. Then you find the back. The breast now I can cut in a two. Find the joint again. As you can see. Same thing, I repeat the same procedure there. So. Alright. Most people don't cut off that, but me I really like that part, so I cut it off and left that for you. So you can use that for your stock, because I see bone and fight. Either use it for your stock, use it for your curry chicken, put back in your curry chicken, your stew chicken, whatever. But most people use it, but me not really like use it. So alright. I do one more chicken. And I just do it. Comment and tell me how you do phone one. Yeah, man, well, in Jamaica, baked chicken pan a whole would have come like, people might not say it, but it would have come like a Jamaican national dish. Cause people love chicken, everything people do are chicken, this, chicken, that, curry chicken, roast chicken. So basically chicken play an important role. Not in our Uncle Jamaica, in everybody's life. So you have to respect the chicken. So when you cut the chicken and I deal with the chicken with care. Nobody fling him down and deal with the chicken good. So if you want to get chicken, you can get chicken too, cause you don't know. You're a chicken, but just deal with the chicken good, as me I say. Yeah. Chicken, a chicken. And we love chicken. I don't know about you, but we love chicken. Me love chicken. To when I work around chicken one at a time, I think me dog go fly. Too much chicken. But chicken have a whole heap of flavor. Whole of flavor in the bone. So anyway, I can check back the next video. What I'm gonna show now for do the fry cut. So remember, subscribe.
We just a live and a learn. Lose everything and liberties I go burn. Burn, we just a live and a learn. Them are the young and the riches of the world. The riches of the world. We just a live and a learn. Just a live and a learn. We just a live and a learn. Big life. Big life. Big life. You know what them do? You know what them do? Big life. Big life.